Garbage Family Show friends, we have a great show for you today. It's all about garbage trucks. My dad got a ride in the garbage truck and he's going to show you how cool it is from inside the cab. Pound that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss a single video. Trash truck drivers get up early in the morning. It's true, while most of us are sleeping, trash truck drivers are filling up their trucks with gas, inspecting them for safety, and sometimes washing them. Then they're off to pick up the trash. This is my dad with the garbage truck driver. His name is Robert. He's the driver of today's garbage truck. Well, he actually picks up recycling in this video. But later in the day, he empties the recycling and picks up the trash. One big thing my dad learned while riding in the cab of the garbage truck is how awesome each and every garbage truck driver is. Because driving a garbage truck is actually quite hard. Look at this video. You can hear how loud the truck is. There's beeping noises, hydraulic noises, and engine noises. It's so hard to hear. Garbage truck drivers also get the sun in their eyes when they're driving. People are walking their dogs around the truck. Cars are backing out of driveways. Then there's kids like me following the garbage truck. There's so much going on. It's like playing a drum set on wheels. How do they do it? Garbage truck drivers are just so awesome. When garbage truck drivers empty the bins, they use their side mirrors. They also use video screens. Check that out. Isn't that cool? Let's watch Robert dump some bins in fast mode. While we're watching Robert in fast mode, it's time for some shout-outs. Big shout-out to Martin Bourne, Garbage Truck Kid, Garrett N, Super Cyan, Blue Goku Kakarot, and Mr. Sausage. Robert, thanks for letting my dad ride along with you. And thank you, Kelly, Israel, and Rick for your help too. Comment below if you want a shout out, pound that subscribe button, and ring the bell.